video, we have a problem. Like the problem statement is write a function that take an object and an argument, okay, and containing properties with personal information. Okay, there is one object with some personal information, okay, and we have to extract data from that personal information is like first name, last name, size, weight, okay, only if available. Okay, so we have to check that the key is available or not inside that object. Okay? And we know like the function is has own property. With the help of that we can easily get to know like the key is available or not in the object. Okay, and the next case is if size or weight is given. Okay, so if both or one is given, so we have to transform the value into a string. Okay, okay, correct. Okay, so the size and weight is in normal numbers and we have to convert into a string, correct. Okay, and we have to concat cm means centimeter with the size and kg with weight. Okay, okay, so this is the first case, and the output is like the first name, last name, and size is converted and attached with cm and weight with kg. Okay, okay, and let's see the last case. In last case, what is there? So in last case, first name, last name is there, and size and weight is not there, and expected output is first name, last name only. Okay, so this is the easy. Okay, so we are going to create a temporary object. Okay, and here we will use has own property method. Okay, and we know how to create dynamic objects, so with this sign, and here we use obj dot has own property, correct, and here we have to pass the key. So first is first name. Okay, if this property is available, we will assign the same key, otherwise it will be blank. Okay, and at last what we will do, we will delete that key. Okay, and if that key is available, we have to assign the value, and how we can assign the value, obj dot fn, correct. With this we can easily assign. Okay, and next is the last name. Okay, last name is coming here. Okay, and here last name is coming. Okay, and the next is size. Okay, and here size will come. Size will come here, and the last one is the weight. Okay, so weight will come here, done, and the value will assign with the same variable. Okay, so let's see what coming in the console. Okay, okay, so a minute, what's happening? This console dot log, why t is not printing? Undefined is not a function. Undefined is not a function. That is the meaning of this. So this. Obj dot has own property. Property. Oh, the issue is with this spelling. Okay, has own property. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, and submit. So now, so the test case is failing. The reason is like we have to attach cm with this size and kg with this weight. Okay. So here we will concat cm and here kg. That sum. Still okay. You see now first case is passed. Okay. In second case it's failing. Why? Because here the blank data is coming. Reason because we don't have the size. Okay. But we have assigned dynamically here. See, here we have assigned the blank value, that's why it's coming. So what we can do, we can use one trick. Okay, delete t if it is blank. Okay, it will delete this blank property from the whole object. Okay, let's see now. See, so now every test case is passed and correct data is coming. Okay, so this way you can solve this problem. Like you will check the property is available or not inside the object. Okay, if it's available you will assign the values, you will assign the keys, okay, dynamically, and last you can return and you can delete the like blank or undefined keys, you can easily delete. And what they have did, like they use the split operator. Okay, so this is also okay, and this way also you can achieve. Okay, so if you like, if you have any doubt, you can paste that doubts in the comment section. Okay, I will reply for that doubt. Okay, if you need any other videos related to this, okay, if you want to like get the solution for any other problems, you can paste it out. Okay, 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 then we will meet in the next video. Thank you.